Hi guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm just here to do a YouTube video sharing some of the things that I will be packing inside of my hospital bag. If you have not watched my previous video, I would love for you to do so. That video I spoke about my 2 long chomp hospital bags that I received as gifts for my baby shower, and now I'm back to do another video sharing what I plan on packing inside of those 2 handbags. If this sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to stick around and let's get started. First item, I will not be going in any particular order, would be a BOPPY. I received this as a baby shower gift, and this is the cover inside. So this is great for breastfeeding. I plan on breastfeeding, and it grows with your baby. So this will be coming with me to the hospital. So BOPPY it is. Of course, we need some pacifiers. I'm not sure if the baby will take it or not, but I will be sterilizing these and taking these along with us as well to the hospital. Next item would be my breast pump, manual breast pump. Another baby shower gift. I plan on breastfeeding. I hope to have a lactation specialist at my hospital that will assist me during this process. So this will be coming with me inside of my hospital bag. Packing cubes with the baby items already packed in here. It just has to go inside of my bag. We're ready to go. We don't know the gender of the baby, so that's why it's a little bit, it seems like a lot in here, because of course we have to pack for a boy or a girl, and then we have some neutral items in here as well for the baby. The next item I will be bringing is a fan. I have watched, I'm not going to say a million, but I've watched a fair share of what's in my hospital bag video, and everyone seems to say that you need a fan. This fan is perfect because it comes with an adapter at the bottom where you can wrap it around the side of the bed. You don't necessarily have to hold it in your hand or have someone holding it. So I purchased this off of Amazon. Anything that you see in this video, I will have linked down below if you're interested in any of these items. So this will be coming inside of my hospital bag. I purchased a pillowcase from Amazon. I plan on bringing my own pillow. I wanted a satin pillowcase, so I did purchase this for myself. This just came in the mail. And I also purchased a hair turban, a black one. I haven't opened it yet. It just arrived in the mail to wrap my hair, or I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my hair during delivery. It's still up in the air, so I just want to have different options for me during that time, when that time comes. So I wanted a turban for my hair because I didn't want to bring my hair scarf. So these are some of the things that I plan on taking. This is my personal bag, and here I have my toothbrush, mouthwash, toothpaste. I have lotion. I have nipple butter, a popular item. Of course, I'm gonna still bring my Kill Deep Pores travel size cleansing mask. I might not be able to use it, but I'm gonna have it just in case. I have another type of headband where I'm able to pull my hair back out of my face. I have some bliss sticks. I have some hand lotion. And you know, mouthwash, things that you need. I also have a dry brush. I like to use a dry brush in the shower. So I have that just in case. I will also be bringing along towels with me from home and my own washcloth as well. I don't have that down here, but I will be bringing that to the hospital. I have hospital socks with the grips on the bottom. We need hospital socks. I've also purchased a nursing tank. I purchased this from Target, which is good. So it allows me to unfasten to breastfeed the baby. So I'm just bringing 1 or 2 of those. I also have compression for my bottom after surgery. Well, I don't know if I'm having a C-section or a vaginal birth, but I also packed this just to wear. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these. I don't know how I'm gonna feel, but we shall see. I just want to pack them just in case for some compression. Of course, we have our burping cloth. I will be packing these, so put over my shoulder. Mommy love. And my MUSLIN cloth, I love these because it's different. It's not white. It has a beautiful design on it, so it's perfect for a girl or a boy. So I will be bringing these to the hospital with me as well. And you also can use this to put over your stroller when you leave the hospital to cover the baby. So I purchased this myself from the baby list. I will be linking everything down below. As I said previously, this came in a set of 3. Pretty cool. Neutral, perfect, again, for a boy or a girl. FRIDA Mom bottle as well. Highly recommended on YouTube. I will also be packing the FRIDA Mom postpartum underwear. Highly recommended, again, on YouTube, on every what's in my bag video, delivery bag. So I purchased these from Target. I also have packed my Ritual prenatal vitamins. This is a new pack. I will be continuing to take these vitamins. I've taken these throughout my entire pregnancy. I love these vitamins. I also have wipes in here, just in case I want to wipe my hands if I can't get up and go to the bathroom. I also have more pads in here as well. I will be bringing along with me diapers. I don't need to really bring these, but I'm going to bring my own diapers to the hospital with me. I'm only going to pack a handful, not a lot, because we won't be there long. I have a hair clip. Again, this is the 3rd hair option. I don't know what type of mood I'm going to be in, so I want to have something to put my hair back, something to pull my hair up, or if I want to wrap my hair, something that I can wrap my hair with. So I will be bringing this as well. And I have shower shoes. I purchased these from Amazon. Affordable. You need shower shoes for the shower. So I will be packing these in my bag. And last but certainly not least, I know I'm probably missing something. Obviously my robe, I will be bringing a robe. Obviously my nightgown, I will be bringing a nightgown. I just didn't bring it down for the video. I will be bringing moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer. I spoke about this in videos a while back. So this is good because I can use it on my body and I can use it on my face. And I will also be bringing my Gentle Moisturizer Cleanser. So I use this on my face and also my body as well. I'm probably just gonna put this in a smaller bottle, but this lotion is so thick, I'm just gonna take the whole bottle with me. And that's about it. So if I think of anything else that I haven't mentioned in this video, I would definitely link it down below. Here is my little caddy. I will be keeping this. My plan for this, honestly, is to keep this in my car. But for now, I'm going to keep it here in the house. So these are the things that I plan on packing in my hospital bag. My name is Kimberly, also known as Loving to Shop. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Baby is coming. Baby is coming. Baby is coming. Bye.